Hello, everyone, and I hope your 2023 is off to a great start for your new year. This year, the lectures that we're going to be doing in February are going to be focusing on a change in American politics that has taken place over the last decade or so, and that has been a change in the role of women in our democracy. To the extent that, in fact, I think we can make a strong argument that women and their allies actually saved our democracy. We're going to look systematically at how democracy is measured. There are some new measurements that are being developed by different researchers around the world. And we'll look at the way in which the interests of the majority of the people are defended in those lectures. And always with women at the forefront. So look forward to seeing you in February. And finally getting back in person at O'Connor Woods. Thank you.